Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Sahil and welcome to the channel. So we have started a series of technical analysis where we are analyzing various stocks and indexes on the basis of some technical chart patterns and some derivative data. So continuing the series, the next stock that we are analyzing as of today, the date is 4th of December 2020, is Coal India Limited. So let's just without wasting any time move to the analysis. Yes, so as you can see on the screens, this is investing.com. The source I am using to analyze the uh, Coal India Limited stock, and this is the daily chart pattern of the stock. And if you see the stock today on 4th of December 2020 gave a close at the levels of 133.20. We expect that the stock prices can show a good upside in the prices in the coming trading sessions. If you see this red line, this is the 200 DMA level of the line, and the stock today tried to cross its 200 DMA. However, it finally gave a close below its 200 DMA. But we expect the stock can cross its 200 DMA in the coming trading sessions and can show a good upside in the prices. Also, if you see the Bollinger Band, the stock after taking a support from its middle band of the Bollinger Band has given a breakout of the upper band in the last trading sessions, and we can see a good upside thus in the prices. Also, if you see the volumes are quite good from the last few trading sessions, and if the volume continues to support in the coming trading sessions, so we can see a good upside in the prices. Also, if you see the RSI is currently at the levels of 69.28 and has given a positive crossover, which is a positive signal for a stock. Also, uh, if you see the MACD indicator, the blue line is currently over the red line and has given a positive crossover, which is something good, something positive for a stock. And all the indicators are suggesting that we can see a good upside in the prices. And if you see the stock after making a recent high of 143.95 on 26th of August has shown a good consolidation and is forming a nice rounding bottom pattern. So yes, we can if the this formation gets completed, we can see a formation of a rounding bottom pattern in the coming days. And if the stock gives a breakout out of this pattern, we can see a good upside in the prices. However, if someone is looking to invest in Coal India Limited, she can do with a short-term target one of 136, second short-term target of 139.5, and third short-term target of 143, while keeping a stop loss at the levels of 127.5. And yes, if someone is looking to invest in Coal India Limited stock positionally, she can do with a positional target of 151, while keeping a stop loss at the levels of 123.50. And let's just confirm it without derivative data also. So yes, if you see, this is the NSE website which I'm using as a source to analyze the derivative data of the stock. And if you see, the highest OI stands at a strike price of 135, which was also seen the major hurdle on the technical chart also lies at the 200 DEMA. So yes, however, if you see the highest change in OI stands at a strike price of 150. So yes, the stock has a potential to show a upside in the prices of 150, which was the positional target that we suggested on the technical chart patterns. So yes, uh, the our targets of the derivative data and technically are matching. And if you see the put side of the data, the highest OI stand as a strike price of 120. However, if you see the highest change in OI stands at the strike price of 127.50 with a change in OI of 2,96,000. So yes, it also matches with our technical data. So yes, all and all, if someone is looking to invest in Coal India Limited, she can do once this 200 DEMA gets crossed for short-term target one of 136, second short-term target of 139.5, and third short-term target of 143, while keeping a stop loss at the levels of 127.50. And yes, if someone is looking to invest in Coal India Limited stock positionally, she can do with a positional target of 151, while keeping a stop loss at the levels of positional stop loss of 123.5. And yes, if you see a downside in the prices, it should be considered as an opportunity to enter. And before ending this video, there is a disclaimer here that the given recommendation and analysis is only for the educational purpose. Do not consider it as a buy or sell call. Thank you for watching the video.